What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JSS here. Today I'm gonna try to be making car noise with this Pepsi can. I just realized it. If you guys do not watch Let's Be Jimmy, go check him out because he had reacted to some two people do it, but I'm gonna try to do it myself. But I don't know, that's not my best, but I tried. I'll try one more time. Didn't do exactly as I planned, but
How much did they sell the car for?
why?
I'm just interested.
Alright, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get a fortune out of this guy. Well, that's the good part, but still, guys, I'm trying it one more time. That's my best shot, so.